Hello, today we'll show you how Umnico and amoCRM integration works. We have the required integration set up already and have incoming messages, so we'll go to the amoCRM. Thanks to integration with Umnico, there are 3 options for customer interaction: Classic View of Deals, Widget, and a Umnico Deal widget. Let's look at each option in detail and start with the Classic View of Deals. Here we see just transactions that came from the integration. There are details about the contact, order number, and tags that indicate the group or account where the transaction came from, which integration received it, and its type, message or comment. Let's open the deal. We see its source, an avatar, and display tags. The message itself. It is a comment below the post. We can answer it via chat. We can also view the interaction in Umnico. Here, the message, comment, and reply are also displayed. Let's consider another example of a deal from Instagram Direct. The tag shows its source. Let's open the deal. We see a link to the account and other details. We can also answer via chat. Let's check that everything works in the widget. Through the Umnico widget, we can answer both in direct and under the post. There is a post preview. Using the selector, we can respond in direct or in comments. Let's open a WhatsApp deal. We see all the contact details synchronized with your phone book. If there is a green icon next to the phone number, then it uses WhatsApp. If it is gray, it is not possible to determine whether the number uses WhatsApp or not. If the icon is pale green, then the number doesn't use it. The previous communication history is available through the Umnico widget. You can reply through the standard fields or through the widget. With WhatsApp, it is possible to write to customers first. Let's see how it's done. Create a deal, specify the name and phone number. Click Add, go to the deal. Click on the phone number and select Umnico. A chat window opens where you can write to a customer. Now let's see how the process looks like from the main Umnico widget. Select Umnico in the left menu. Here we see filters by channels, sources, message types, as well as search option by clients and messages. In the middle, it shows the subscription period and interface language. We can write to the customer first from the widget. Select the number from which the message is sent and the recipient's number. If necessary, check if the number is registered on WhatsApp. If you connect a Telegram account, email, or WhatsApp Business API, it is also possible to write first using these channels. We can see all communications displayed in the widget. We can also respond to comments in direct through the widget. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us in the help section. We'll be glad to help.